In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set a 21 EMA in TradingView to help with trend spotting and swing trades. It's simple and effective for technical analysis. Let's get started. First, go to TradingView.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're on the main dashboard after logging in. Then go to the Product tab at the top to reveal the drop-down options. Choose Supercharts so you can open the full chart interface. Next, click on the Indicators button at the top of the chart screen. Search for EMA in the search bar, then select Moving Average Exponential from the results. Now that the EMA is added to your chart, click on the EMA line or settings icon to customize it. In the Length section, input 21 to change it to a 21-period EMA, then click OK or close the Settings panel to save the change. And that's how to set a 21 EMA in TradingView. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more trading tutorials. See you next time!